Hello everyone, I'll tell you how to make blue Hawaiian punch mocktail. First of all, take a shaker glass and an ice cube. Then you have to pour 10 ml of coconut syrups. Then you have to pour 15 ml of blue curacao syrups. After that, you have to pour 120 ml of pineapple juice. Before that, you have to shake the pineapple juice. Then you have to pour 3 spoon of vanilla ice cream. This is the creamy based mocktail you can try in your home. That's why you have to pour little bit of more ice cream so that the mocktail will become more creamy in color. Then you have to shake all the ingredients properly. Just shake well. For this make mocktail, you have to shake little bit of more time until unless the ice cream and all the ingredients will not mix. Then you have to take a pilsner glass and you have to pour 15 ml of blue curacao syrups on the pilsner glass. Then you have to pour the all ingredients into the pilsner glass. See, the creamy based mocktail is ready. See how the fancy creamy color came. Then you have to can serve the mocktail with straw and stirrers, and you can garnish the mocktail with fresh pineapple slice and mint sprigs. So your mocktail is ready. Thank you very much for watching my videos.